Welcome to Easify, your all-in-one dashboard for managing every communication touchpoint with ease. Right from the main screen, you can get a quick overview of your essential stats, whether it's SMS, email, or calls, along with access to other key features like events and your linked phone numbers. Let's start by exploring one of our core features, SMS campaigns. To create a new campaign, just head into the SMS section and click on Create Campaign. First, you'll set up the basics. Give your campaign a name, select your sender, and upload your contact list. Next, choose one or more templates that you'd like to use for the messages and move on to the final step. In the last step, you'll see a summary of your recipients along with the number of Easify credits that will be used. Once everything looks good, you can either schedule the campaign for later or send it out immediately. It's fast, simple, and fully in your control. Once your campaign is sent, you'll see it listed right at the top of your SMS dashboard. Click on View to dive into the full details. Any numbers that are invalid, blacklisted, or failed the DNC Do Not Contact check will be automatically filtered out and marked as failed, helping you stay compliant and efficient. The SMS section doesn't stop at campaigns. You can also send quick, one-off messages using the Quick SMS feature, perfect for instant updates or urgent alerts. Use template groups to organize your messaging content, and dive into analytics for a detailed breakdown of your SMS performance over time. To make your campaigns even more effective, Easify also includes smart tools like opt-out words and spam phrase detection, helping you stay ahead of potential issues and maximize delivery success. Now, let's take a look at another key feature, email campaigns. Just like with SMS, setting up an email campaign is simple and intuitive. Start by entering your campaign name, selecting the sender, uploading your contact list, and choosing one or more email templates. Once everything is in place, review your setup, and you're ready to either schedule it or send it right away. For quick, one-off messages, Easify also offers a quick email feature, allowing you to send a single message instantly without going through the full campaign process. You can also manage your email templates, making it easy to reuse your best content and explore email analytics for detailed performance insights. In the email senders section, you'll find a list of all the sender email IDs linked to your account, so you can manage and switch between them as needed. You'll also have access to an unsubscribed list, which shows all the email addresses that have opted out, keeping your communications compliant and respectful of your audience's preferences. Finally, Easify includes a powerful tool called Email Warm-Up Campaigns. This feature helps you gradually warm up new email IDs before launching full campaigns, improving your deliverability and reducing the risk of your messages being flagged as spam. With Easify, managing email outreach is as efficient and powerful as your SMS campaigns, giving you all the tools you need for smart, effective communication. Next, let's explore the call feature, designed to make your voice outreach smooth and efficient. To place a call, simply open the dialer, enter the number you want to call, and choose the number you'd like to call from. Once you've verified everything, hit call. After the call ends, it's logged right at the top of your call list, where you'll also find options to manage or edit the entry. You can even favorite a number for quick access later by clicking the heart icon. If you need to call multiple people, Easify has you covered with automated calling. Just click Add New Recipients to begin building your call list. You can add individual contacts manually or speed things up by importing an entire group from your saved contact groups. Once your list is ready, start the automated call sequence. Easify will handle the rest, calling each number in order until the list is complete or you choose to stop it. And finally, for a full overview of your calling activity, head over to the Call Analytics page. There, you'll find all the key details from your previous calls, helping you track performance and refine your outreach. You can also select a specific section, like incoming calls, to dive deeper into that category and get more focused insights. Let's take a look at how chat works in Easify. It's designed to be straightforward and efficient. On the chat screen, you'll find all your conversations neatly organized into predefined categories, along with any custom ones you've created. Select any contact to view the full message history. You can easily switch the sender's number from the bottom right corner, and the chat menu gives you several options to manage the conversation as needed. To start a new chat, just click the plus icon at the top of the screen. Enter the contact's name or number, select the right one, and you're ready to begin messaging. It's that simple. Direct, flexible, and built for fast communication. We'll show you how to send a ringless voicemail demo in just a few steps. Start by heading to the Voice Outreach section from the main menu and click on the Ringless Voicemail option under it. Once you're on the Ringless Voicemail page, click on the Send Demo option in the top right corner. A Send Demo dialog box will appear. Here, you can add the recipients you'd like to send the demo to. Then, choose the voice file you want to use for the demo. Once everything looks good, go ahead and click Send Demo. That's it. Your demo is on its way. We'll also show you how to set up the ringless voicemail feature. To get started, go to the Voice Outreach section in the menu and click on Create Ringless Voicemail. Here, you can set up your campaign. Start by entering a campaign name. Then, choose a callback number where customers can reach you. Next, select the voice file, pick your recipients, and click Continue. To launch the campaign immediately, click on Start Campaign. You can also choose to schedule the campaign for later. Just follow the same steps, then click Continue and select Schedule for later. Pick a date and time and click Confirm to proceed. Once your campaign is scheduled, you can click View Campaign to see all your active and upcoming campaigns. Next, we'll show you how to set up a voice broadcast. Start by clicking on Voice Broadcast under the Voice Outreach section in the menu. Click on Create Voice Broadcast. Enter your campaign name and select the senders from the list. Under Broadcast Type, you have two options. Select Voice to upload a pre-recorded voice file, or choose Message to type out a text message that will be converted into voice. Once you've chosen your broadcast type, select the contact groups you want to target. Then, click on Continue. On the next page, you'll be setting up the IVR. Enter the agent name, choose the number you want to use for this campaign, and click Continue. A preview window will now appear. From here, you can either start the campaign immediately or schedule it for a later time. Next up, let's see how you can add voices. Click on Voices under the Voice Outreach section in the menu. Then, click the Add Voice button at the top right corner to upload your voice files. To track the status of your campaigns, go to Analytics under the Voice Outreach section. Here, you'll find detailed insights, including receiver details, date and time, broadcast type, credits used, campaign status, and a preview of the campaign. Let's see how you can automate your replies with AI. Start by heading to AI Replies in the main menu. Click on Train Your AI. Here, you can either type in the details manually or upload documents to train your AI. Next, you can set up custom replies. Click on Set Up Custom AI Replies. Type in the question and your preferred answer, then click Save when you're done. To test your setup, go to the Test AI Replies section. Enter the question you saved earlier, and you'll see the AI respond with the answer you provided. Now let's assign phone numbers to your AI. Under the AI Replies section, click on Phone Numbers. Select a number, click Assign Number, and then confirm by clicking Confirm and Assign. Now let's see how to set up automations in Easify. Start by clicking on Automation in the main menu. Then click the New Automation button at the top right corner. Enter a preferred automation name and click on Create New Automation. Next, click on Add a Starting Trigger. For this example, we'll use Contact Label Setting as the trigger. Choose a contact label and click Submit. Now, click the plus button to add the next action. Select Send SMS as the action. Choose the sender. Select a template group and a template, then click Submit. Next, add another step. This time, choose Send Email. Again, select the sender, template group, and template, then click Submit. You can continue adding similar actions as needed and configure each one. Once everything is set, click Save as Draft if you want to review it later, or Run Now to activate the automation immediately. And finally, let Easify Bookings keep your scheduling in check. Getting started with Easify Bookings is simple. First, tap on Bookings in the navigation bar on your Easify app. You'll be redirected to the Bookings section. Now let's set up meeting types. Click on Meeting Types in the menu. Tap on New Meeting to set up a meeting. Enter the meeting title. You can also set a custom link if wanted. Set your preferred meeting duration. Enter a description if needed, and click on Continue. You can choose a location type, either online or offline. You can also set alert templates to send reminders. Click Continue to proceed. In the next step, you can preview your meeting and choose a color according to your brand if needed. Finalize by clicking Create Meeting Type and Copy Link. Now your meeting is ready. Simply click the copy icon next to your meeting to share the link. Next up, we'll show you how your client can easily book a meeting with you using your Easify Bookings link. They simply need to paste the meeting link into their browser and hit Enter. The Easify Bookings page will appear, displaying a calendar with available dates and times. Your client can select a preferred date and time to book the meeting. Next, they'll be asked to enter basic details like their name, phone number, and email address. Once filled out, they just need to click Schedule Booking to confirm. The meeting scheduled by your client will appear in your calendar. Click on it to view the details. Choose to reschedule or cancel the event if needed. You can also access all your meetings by clicking on My Bookings in the menu. When it's time to join a meeting, simply click on the Join button displayed next to a meeting. Let's explore more features of Easify Bookings. Tap on Global Availability from the menu to set your available dates and times. Once you're set, click on Save to confirm. Next, head to Alert Templates in the menu. Click on Add Templates to set up reminders for meetings. Enter a reminder title, choose the time, and decide whether to send the reminder before or after the event. Finally, head to Settings to add some basic details. In the basic settings, you can add your brand logo, a description, and set your time zone. For offline meetings, you can also add your location. Click on Save Settings to confirm changes. And that's it. Explore Easify today and discover a smarter, scalable way to connect, convert, and grow.